Welcome you all. I am Sandeep Panduranga. In this session, we are going to discuss one of the most easiest and one of the very important topic in reasoning, that is puzzle related problem. Why I am telling very important and easiest? If we know the logic, if we know the shortcut in puzzle related problem, we can take it as a easiest. But most of the students are thinking this is very difficult. But after this solving the problem, we can imagine and we can feel that this is the very easiest topic in reasoning. Is it clear? And in a SBI PO or IBPS PO, whatever you can take any exam, 5 marks question compulsory they are going to ask in this module only. Let's discuss the puzzle related problem. Before going to solve the puzzle related problem, then how we are going to solve the puzzle? This is very important. In puzzles, they have given the 3 constraints. One is the persons are given. You can take it as person A, B, C, D, E, F. And in A, B, C, D, F, they are liking 2 things. Either they have liked by the games, either they have liked by the any places. This is one. Or you can take it as again number of person A, B, C, D, E. They have like for one is fruits, another one is they like for the buses or whatever it may be. We have taken place and buses are 2 constraints, and games and places are taken as 2 constraints. Is it clear? When we have this type of problem, we have to go with a simple methodology or simple logic. Then what is the logic? So directly we move for the problem, we can easily identify the logic. Okay, look at the first problem. Here 7 candidates are there: Harish, Samir, Nilesh, Shailaja, Nikita, Lakshman and Sujata. Here that's 7 candidates. It means Harish, Samir, Nilesh, Shailaja, Nikita, Lakshman and Sujata are to be interviewed. This is, you can take it as first constraint. It means that you go with a heading, or you can go with the interviewed for selection trainee officer for different panels. It means that entire this information I just put heading as panel. Understanding? Entire information I just go with the panel. Under the panel, those who are come: Harish, Samir, Nilesh, Shailaja, Nikita, Lakshman and Sujata. That is the reason I write under the head of panel, these person should come. It means Harish, Samir up to the Sujata. Is it clear? So next one, this is first constraint as panel. What will be considering as the second constraint? The panels are 1 to 7. Only we have to write the information 1 to 7, only this. Is it clear? Next, companies. This is second constraint. That is the reason I write company here. When we have the puzzle problem, number of person, it is common, you just write a person first. But you should what have to maintain or what you have to mention, that is heads. Is it clear? Is it clear? Then after that, what you have to do it? Simple. In the right hand side, you can take it at this is right hand side and this is also right hand side, and this is left hand side and this is also left hand side. You just write the only positive information relates to the person in right hand side, and left hand side you just negative information relates to the person. Is it clear? First you should write the heads, after that you should write the persons from the puzzle, after that you should go with the right hand side and left hand side. What is the right hand side? Only a positive information relates to the person, and left hand side you should write the negative information to that person. Is it clear? This is a very simple 3 shortcut trick. If you follow this, definitely you can go and solve the number of problem relating to the puzzle. Suppose 3 as given, you just write as a third constraint as a heading, and you have to write the number of person as it is same. Is it clear? Then move for the problem. First look at here. Nilesh is interviewed by panel 4th. Where is Nilesh is here? Panel is our heading and company is our heading. Under the panel, Nilesh is interviewed by panel 4. We know this is the positive information. Then Nilesh is a panel 4. Is it clear? Then next, for company A, here company is there. Where is Nilesh is here? Nilesh is company A. Then first statement is over. Is it simple? Yeah. Next one, Samir is interviewed by panel 3rd. Here panel is the heading. Where is Samir? Samir is here and Samir is interviewed by the panel 3rd. Is it clear? Why I am writing this? Because it relates to the positive information to this person. Okay. Next one, but Samir is interviewed by panel 3rd. Is it finished? Next, but not for company CRD. Look at here, when we have the terminology not, does not, no, we have to consider it as a negative information. What we have to do for the negative information? Negative information we have to write for the left hand side. Here it negative information relates to the Samir, then it relates to the company. The company is heading and Samir is here and Samir does not interview for the company CRD. You just write C and D. Is it clear? That's finished. Next one, Harish is interviewed for company B. Where is Harish here? Company is here. It is nothing but Harish is interviewed for company B. What next? And next one, but not by panel 1st or 2nd. Once again I am repeating, when we have the not, it is considered as a negative information. It means Harish is not interviewed by the panel 1st or 2nd. Panel is the heading. Harish is here. It means he is not interviewed for panel 1st and 2nd. Okay. And next, Nikita is interviewed by panel 6th. It is positive information. Relates to the Nikita. Where is Nikita is here? Nikita is here and Nikita is interviewed panel 6. Is it clear? Next, for company E, it means Nikita is company E. Next one, panel 7 conducted interview for company F. Panel 7 conducts the interview for company F. Here there is no information given which person is going to conduct panel 7 and interviewed for company F. So you just write it for other side. Panel 7 is conducted by the F. Is it clear? Why I am writing? Because I don't know exactly who is going with the handle the 7 and handled by the company F. Is it clear? Next one, Shailaja is interviewed by panel 1st. Look at here, Shailaja. Where is Shailaja? Shailaja is here, interviewed panel 1st. But not, look at here once again, we have the terminology not. It means Shailaja is not interviewed for company C. Is it clear? Next one, panel 2nd does not interview. Once again, does not. It is called as negative information. Panel 2nd does not interview by Lakshman. Lakshman is here. Panel is the heading. It means 2nd. Is it finished? Entire statement we have to write it as 1. After that, we have to go with remaining information. We have to solve by negative constraint. Remaining information we have to solve with the help of negative constraint. Then how we have to solve the negative constraint? Look at here. Look at here. Lakshman is not by 2nd. Lakshman and Harish. First you have to write those who are finished. Those who are finished, first 1st to 7 I am going to write. After that I am going to eliminating the 2nd third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Here finished third. You just eliminate. After that, fourth, eliminate. First, eliminate. Next, sixth, eliminate. Remaining is second, fifth and seventh. These are the three information is remaining. Okay. What we have to do? Look at here. First and second does not by Harish. It means what? First and second does not by Harish means only we have fifth and seventh is remaining for Harish. Look at here. First and second does not relate to the panel of Mr. Harish. Here second does not come for Harish. We have remaining to fix fifth or seventh. But look at here. Seventh is valuated by the company F. But Harish is valuated by company B. It means that Harish does not come for seventh. Harish definitely come for the fifth. Harish is definitely come for the fifth. Next one. Look at here. We finished Harish and remaining Lakshman and Sujata. Lakshman and Sujata. What we have remaining information? Second and seventh panel. Only remaining panel I am going to discuss second and seventh. But look at here. Lakshman cannot be interviewed for second panel means only a one option, that is 7. And remaining only one, that is second panel. That second panel is interviewed by Miss Sujata. Then this information is clear. After that, seventh panel is interviewed for the company F. Here Lakshman is 7 and Lakshman is interviewed by the company F. Is it clear? After that, once again, you just write the company's information. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Number of companies here A to G. A is finished, B is finish, E is finish, F is finish. Remaining C, D, G. Look at here. Samir does not come for C and D. Definitely Samir should come for the G company. Is it clear? Next one. Shailaja does not come for C. It means only a remaining is D. Okay. This is also finished and this is also finished. Remaining is C. Is it clear? Looks very difficult, but when we have go with the right left, it means positive information and negative information with the only heads. Then we can solve this within a 2 to 3 minutes. Is it clear? So Harish is panel 5th, interviewed company for B. Samir is panel 3rd, interview company for G. Nilesh is panel 4, interviewed for company A. Next Shailaja, panel 1st, interviewed company for D, and up to Sujata, interviewed panel by 2nd, company for C. Is it clear? Then look at the questions they are asking related to this puzzle arrangement.